Hey, it's been a long time. I think it's been a week or two since I dropped a video for you guys. Anyway, just wanted to say hi and also go over some items with you. And also just wanted to wish you guys Merry Christmas ahead of time. For those of you who are new, please subscribe. Um, and also hit the notifications bell and also hit the like button. So, and also comment below. So if you are making money, let me know that you are making money. So, in any shape or form, since this is the end of the year, the Fed, I think, only gave 0.25% interest rate before the year end. It hasn't moved the stock as much. I mean, we did get maybe a little bit green, but not anything high. So hopefully by the end of this month or either the beginning of the year, then things may. I'm thinking it's gonna cool off because of the holidays, because people are buying still now. So by the end, when the year began, then people's gonna start pulling off on buying. So that um we may have to wait until maybe mid-January or either February to see things start picking up. So we have to always be in the mindset that things is going to pick up at some point, but sometimes things cool off after people buy so much for the holiday, for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and then New Year's Eve. People going to party, so they're going to cool off on buying. And then once the year begins, then things will start picking up again. Okay, so just wanted to wish you guys Merry Christmas with all the beautiful candle and bees and everything else. So do have a Merry Christmas with your family and friends. And if you are doing it alone, sometimes it's always best to enjoy Christmas alone. For me, I'm always like into like pastry, any pastry that I can have. I'm keeping it simple. I don't want to be like I used to like set up the party sometime when doing Christmas time when I was much younger. But now it I cool off. So now it's like I rather it's been simple than anything that I have to dress up and go out. So I keep it simple. So if you want to keep it simple, you can. I mean, it's always good to be just choose to be by yourself. I think by yourself, it's always the best thing ever. I find out. But if you want to be with friends and family and enjoy the holidays, sometimes or that always sometimes work out. But for those of you who feel like you rather be at home in your own um, apartment or homes, hey, it's always good because you can bring whatever you like inside the house during Christmas time and enjoy the holiday that way in peaceful harmony. Anyway, so moving on, I am going to show you some of the items that we need to continue investing in. Remember, with penny stock, as I mentioned to you guys, is that I'm going to keep it short. With penny stocks, whenever you buy them, especially those penny stocks that I'm going to show you, they are new. So you always want to test them by buying them for like $100 and then test them to see if you are making money. Some of them I do see that they have been raising money, so the stock is shooting up. So you always want to Google these stocks, see if any good news is going on and the company is making money. So that way, you always want to watch. Okay, always open your account in the morning, whether you're at work or either at home, working from home. You always can use your phone to look at your portfolio there, see if you're making money. Anytime you make any type of money, whether it's $10, $20, 30 or 40 or 100 or 1,000 in that case, you need to cash it out. Why? Penny stocks, they come and go. Today they might be $20 up. Tomorrow they might shoot down $20 down or even more than that. So you always want to, whenever you see green, you cash out. If you see $2, $3 or $5, you can wait until it actually shoot up. But if you see 10, 10, 15, 20, 30, $50, you cash it out. And then you can always buy it when you go back low. So That's the way you test penny stocks to see if you're gonna make money. Any penny stock that is new, that's the way that I test it. Buy for 100. If I make any money off of it, or when I make any money off of it, I cash it out. If I see the penny stock is keep on moving up, then I'm gonna wait until it cool off and then buy more, and then so I can continue making money off of it. So you don't buy like $1,000 worth or $500 worth. You don't know the stocks yet for you to make that kind of an investment. So you always want to protect your capital. Okay, so let's move on. The first stock is the RZ, which I just looked. Um, it looks like there was some good news that was going on. So they had raised, I think, like $300 million. So that shoot up the stock up on Friday. So it might keep on shooting up this Monday. So you need to look at these things when you invest in penny stocks. And then beyond BYND, it's Beyond Meat. The WIT, you always want to look into that also. That one, I think that was some kind of a it was rising up also, so you may want to look into it also. Any stock that I give you, you do need to do your research. Always Google it. Make Google your best friend. Always. URG, XTKG, Abate, NRXS, CYPH, and the MIMI, DNN, ABQQ. ABQQ is like an AI stocks. So you do want to look into it more because I do see that it shoot up way up on Friday. So you do want to look to see, wait until it cool off before you buy them, pretty much. Because I do see that it shoot up like 30 cents, 34 cents high when it was like really, really, really low. So you would want to wait until it cool off before you buy anything. Don't buy it. It's like whenever you buy it when the stock is shooting up, it's like trying to catch a falling knife. You don't want to wait. If you see a falling knife coming down, you need to get away, and go to safety. Don't try to catch it. It's just like that with stocks. If you see it shooting up, don't buy in between because you want to get caught up in the middle of it all, where you buy it at the high price and then you may have to wait until it shoot up back to that price again. Okay, so the next one is the KOZ, the next one is the CDU, and the next one is the RRR, and then the next one is the EU, and the next one is the MTE, and Fobu TV. Who knew Fobu TV had a stock, but it does. However, yes, you do need to do your research. I'm just giving you the option here for you to and look at the flower vase. It has all the red and the gold, which is representing Christmas. And if you see the sign that is in the flower pot, they are minerals, gold minerals that you can buy with. If you ever find these, they are minerals, things that you can, they are money worth. Okay. So always have that mindset whenever you investing in penny stocks. Always think about how can I make more money off of it. So the way you make more money off of a penny stock, you have to keep on buying it, sell it, keep buying it. Whenever you wait, sometimes you may have to wait until it go really low for you to buy so you can make some money. Don't buy it when it's shooting up because you always have to wait until it shoot up. Sometimes it may take a month or two or longer for it to get to the price where you bought it from. So you always want to buy it at the bottom, and then when you rise up, that's when you make your money and you cash out. And always cash out when you see green. High green, yes. Low green, you can wait for a few more weeks or months. But high green, cash out. Don't wait because those are penny stocks. They come and go. Today they may be here, tomorrow it disappears. So you may want to consider that. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Bye.